Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Paloma and I make fashion and lifestyle videos. Today's video is going to be all about Fabfitfun. If you guys don't know about Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. The box is valued at $200. It has fashion, lifestyle, fitness, and beauty products, all full size, guys. And today you can get it for only $39.99 if you use my discount code Paloma. I'll go ahead and link that below. I'm so excited to open this box for you guys. So I have already opened it and used some of the things that are in there. That way I can give you guys an honest review on how I like it. So let's get started. So this is their holiday box. This is how it looks. It looks so cute. Perfect for the holidays. Super cute. I love it. And let me go ahead and open it with you guys. So in here is everything, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out things one by one and show you guys what I have. I forgot to mention you can customize your items, so they do have a bunch of things that you can choose from, and you can just choose whatever you want. So I was able to choose things that I wanted, and yeah, so it's super exciting and I just can't wait. Let's start off with my favorite thing, because it's right here on my makeup vanity, and it is this light. Ooh, it's kind of bright. Let me turn it off. It is this little impression vanity light, and it's so freaking cute. Like, look how cute it is. I do my makeup with it, and I just moved, so my mirror broke. So I'm so glad that they sent this over to me, because if I didn't have that, I would not be able to do my makeup right, because I've been using that and the light is amazing. Also powered by USB or battery. If you don't want to use battery, you can just charge it with the USB, which is amazing. And I'm so sorry for the lighting, guys, because it is kind of getting dark, and yeah, I'm trying to get this video out the way before it gets too dark. The next thing I got was this teeth whitening kit, and I did try it, and I think it did work, honestly. I took pictures. I took before and after pictures, but it wasn't like a big difference just because it was only one time. But the cool thing about this is that you can connect it right to your phone. So you literally put this in your mouth and you connect it to your phone. So it has like an Android little plug, and then it has an iPhone one, and then just like a regular USB if you want to connect it to the wall and just sit down or whatever. Like, it's so cool. I literally connect it to my phone. Let me show you guys. I connect it to my phone. It comes with these little gel kits that you put on there, which I guess is like the teeth whitening solution. And then you go like this, and wait, you connect it like that, and look how cool that is. You put it in your mouth and your teeth just whiten. I think you leave it on for like 20 minutes, and that's so cool, because before they sent me this, I was thinking about going to get my teeth whitened, and I'm like, okay, now I don't really have to go spend the money on teeth whitening. So if you're like me and you like to have your teeth white, definitely look into this, because having this at home is great. Obviously getting your teeth whitened at an actual dentist is cool too, but this is also amazing. They also sent me this brush, daily facial dry brush. I've never used this before, but I did use it once they sent it to me, and it's so cool. So I've been using it after I take off my makeup and wash my face and stuff. I use this and I like scrub it all over my face, obviously once your face is clean, and it just feels so good after your face feels like refreshed and like brand new skin kind of. So I think it's taking away dead skin cells. I haven't like looked into it and read about it yet, but I love this. Super cute. I also got these socks, and these socks are cute. I haven't wore them yet, but I will. These are, I think, workout socks. BARRE. Have you guys heard of BARRE before? I think it's like a workout class that you would use like socks, and these have grip at the bottom. But these are cool because I do have a gym in my apartment, so whenever I go to the gym sometimes and I'm doing some type of leg workout, I feel like it's hard to work out when I have sneakers on, so I do take off my sneakers sometimes. So these are perfect for those days. Look at the grip that it has in the bottom. I got black because, you know, black is my color. But these are so cute, so perfect. And even like if you want to wear them to walk around the house, they have grip, so they're cool. This, guys, this is revitalizing eye gels, and they're so cute. Like, let me show you the box. This is what the box looks like, and the gel pads literally look like wings, just like that. I love it. I literally put it on the first day I got this box, and like your eyes feel just refreshed and like rejuvenated, literally, because it's my eyes felt amazing. Like, I felt like I slept for hours, and like my eyes looked like I slept for hours, because I don't sleep at all because I have a newborn. But this is amazing, and I can't wait to use it. I'm actually gonna use it today again, because I've used, how many does it bring? It brings 4, so I have 2 left. So I want another one. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna use all of these, and I'm definitely gonna try to get more of these because I love these, and I've tried gel pads before, but these were actually amazing. Oh, they sent a little sticker, little Fabfitfun sticker, so cute. And then they sent this wallet. This is like a red little crocodile. I think this is crocodile wallet. I mean, actually not a wallet, a card holder. This is a red crocodile card holder. Look how cute it is. You can put your cards in here, and if you want to put money in here, and they have a cute little zipper where you could put like coins or whatever, and it's super cute. I'm not really a fan of red, but I think it's cute, like especially now for the holidays and stuff like that. I could just switch out my my regular black one that I always use and use this one for now for the holidays and be festive or whatever. But this is super cute. You can tell that the quality is really, really good. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and switch out my cards and put them here because this one's cute. I haven't got to use it yet because I just totally forgot about it. So I got this liquid eyeliner, and I actually used it today to do my makeup. I put eyeliner at the bottom before I actually put lashes on, and I feel like it does such a difference when you actually use liquid eyeliner. Definitely gonna be using this more often. I do use the NYX one, but this one's bomb. Like the application, the little application stick is freaking good, and I love it because it's thick. It's kind of like a beginner's one because I don't really wear eyeliner, but it's a good one. The last thing I got in the box is a makeup palette. It's from Laura Geller, I think that's how you call it, and it's cinnamon and spice. So that's super cute, perfect for the holidays. I'm gonna show you guys the colors. I have not used it yet, but these are the colors. And the colors are super cute. I think it's perfect for somebody that doesn't really like bold colors. I don't like bold colors, and I like doing my makeup, but I don't like putting a lot of makeup on and doing like eyeshadow and stuff. So I feel like this is perfect for me to start playing around in the holidays, so I can like look different, you know, with my makeup and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to try this one out. I haven't tried it. And look at the mirror. Whoa, look at the mirror, guys. Like, ooh, so nice. It's super big. Like I would literally just, sometimes if I'm not gonna use an eyeshadow palette, I would just take this to use a mirror if I'm like doing my makeup on the go. But I love this. This is super cute, and the packaging is amazing. Ah, so cute. So again, this is what the box looked like. This is just an empty box from the Vanity Light, but this is how big the box is. Super cute. I'm super excited that they actually wanted to partner up with me, because once I seen their email, I got super excited because I've always wanted to try them out, and I actually did. If you guys want to try them out, don't forget to use my discount code Paloma so you can get the box for only $39.99, guys. It's a steal. They're all full-size products, so you're definitely going to want to get this, especially like every season you'll get just different things that you want or need. So it's amazing, guys. So don't forget to sign up for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye, guys.